Hello students, today we are going to start the next chapter, chapter number 5. What is the name of this chapter? Points, line segment and rays. So in this chapter we are discussing about all these topics. We cover all these topics in this chapter. So all of you open your book and look at the page number 124. Okay, so let's start. Page number 24, that is given. First we are discussing about the point. What is the point? Point. What is the meaning of this word? Point. Point has a position. Okay, what is the point? Point has a position. No length, no breadth, no height of the point. Okay, so point has position. Okay, point has position. No length, no breadth and no height. Okay, it is denoted by this symbol. Okay, point is denoted by this symbol. It is means only just a dot. Point is denoted by the dot and it is represented by the capital letter. Okay, they are the important points of the point. What is it? Has the position, means point has a position, no length, no breadth, no height of the point. Point, it is the symbol for the point, means point is denoted by the dot and represented by the capital letter. Means always the point is denoted by the capital letter. A, B, C, D, means A to Z we can denote by the any letter. Okay, it is a point. Is that clear? What is the point? Now second one, line. What is a line? Second one is the line. Line means what? When two points join together, 2 points, suppose one point is here, another one point is here. When the 2 points is joined together, it is a line. Okay, formed a line. When the 2 points join together, form a line. Okay. And what is the characteristics of the line? Line is there are no endpoints in the line. First characteristic is no endpoints. What is the first point? In the line no endpoint. Line में कोई endpoint नहीं होता है. Okay. Second, what is the second? Second one is the no fixed length. Because of the no endpoint in the line, that is why no fixed length. No fixed length. And third point is, what is the symbol of the line? Symbol of line is equal to this one. What is the meaning of this? It means why 2 arrows on the end of the line? Why 2 arrows? This arrow show that we can extend the length of line. It means we can extend the length of line by these 2 corners. Okay, I repeat about the line. First, line has no endpoints. Line में कोई endpoint नहीं होते. Second, no fixed length. लाइन की कोई फिक्स्ड लेंथ नहीं होती है. मीन्स वी कैन इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज द लेंथ ऑफ लाइन. ओके. एंड थर्ड, इट इज द सिंबल ऑफ लाइन. लाइन का सिंबल क्या होता है? लाइन के सिंबल में लास्ट कॉर्नर्स पे एरो होता है. एंड दिस एरो शो दैट वी कैन इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट. Okay, we can increase the length of line or also we can decrease the length of line from these points. Is that clear? It is the line. Now next one, third is the line segment. What is the line segment? Line segment means the part of line. What is line segment? What is the meaning of this word? Line segment. Line segment means part of a line, we can say in our words. It means, suppose a line, that is a line, okay, and only this part, AB, it is called, AB is a line segment of this line, okay. AB means only this part of this line. It is called line segment, means we can say a small part of the line is called the line segment. So characteristic of the line segment, it has two endpoints. Who have line segment have two endpoints. Second point, it has fixed length. It has fixed length. Okay, and the symbol of line segment. Symbol of line segment. That is means here A B means we can यूज़ एनी लेटर. ओके, यहाँ पर हम ए से लेकर जेड में कोई सा भी लेटर यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज़ द लाइन सेगमेंट. ए बी इज़ द लाइन सेगमेंट. वी आर नॉट यूजिंग हियर एरो. दिस एरो इज शो दैट we can increase or decrease the length of line, but here we cannot increase or decrease the length of line segment. Line segment means the fixed length. There is written it has fixed length. लाइन सेगमेंट का एक फिक्स्ड लेंथ होता है, इसके फिक्स्ड पॉइंट्स होते हैं. ए और बी से हम लाइन सेगमेंट को इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज नहीं कर सकते. सो दैट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. ऑल दीज आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द लाइन सेगमेंट. ओके, and the symbol of the line segment is this, and symbol of the line is this, P and Q. Okay, it is the bigger difference between the line and the line segment. Line and the line segment both are the different things. Okay, okay, so move on the next point, that is a ray. What is a ray? Ray means characteristics of ray. First, it has one end point only. It has one end point. It has one end point. Second, it has no fixed length. It has no fixed length. And third point, what is ray? Ray has one end point, it has no fixed length, and the symbol of ray, what? This arrow, means ray is denoted by arrow. Okay, so one end point in here, and another. This arrow is show that we can increase from this side, means length of this ray we can increase from this side. Okay, so it is a ray. Look here, ray. It is the, what is saying there, it has one end point, that is a one end point. Okay, second, it has no fixed length. Why no fixed length? Because of the another one corner there is a arrow, and that arrow is show that we can increase or decrease the length of ray from this point. Okay, दैट इज वाई यहाँ तो फिक्स्ड पॉइंट है, पर इस पॉइंट से इस रे को इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज किया जा सकता है. दैट इज वाई नो फिक्स्ड लेंथ ऑफ रे. एंड थर्ड द सिंबल ऑफ रे, दैट इज द सिंबल ऑफ रे. सपोज M and N. We can use any letter for denote the line segment, ray. Okay, हम किसी को भी डिनोट करने के लिए कोई भी लेटर यूज कर सकते हैं. So that is a ray. MN. So how we can write ray? MN and that is a symbol for ray. हमको लेटर लिखना है और लेटर के ऊपर हमको उसका सिंबल बनाना है. Okay. So there are the four things. First, points, lines, line segments and rays. Is that clear? I repeat the all things once again. Okay, listen carefully. First is the point. First one, point. Okay, point has a position. Okay, point has a position. It has no length, no breadth and no height. Okay, point की एक फिक्स पोजीशन होती है, इसकी कोई लेंथ, कोई ब्रेड्थ एंड कोई हाइट नहीं होती है. एंड पॉइंट इज डिनोटेड बाय अ डॉट. पॉइंट इज डिनोट बाय द डॉट. इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द कैपिटल लेटर. हम किसी भी कैपिटल लेटर से पॉइंट को डिनोट करते हैं या रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. व्हाट इज दिस पॉइंट? इट इज अ पॉइंट C. Okay, it is a point C. Is that clear to you about the point? I repeat the all important points related to the point. Listen. First, point has a position. It has no length, no breadth, no height. Point is denoted by a dot. It is represented by the capital letter. Okay. Second thing, line. Second thing is line. Okay, now about the line. When the 2 points join together to form a line, 2 points. At 2 points join together form a line. जब 2 points मिलते हैं तो एक लाइन को बनाते हैं. ओके, हम 2 points को जब ज्वाइन करते हैं तो एक लाइन बनती है. When the two points join together form a line. Okay. Now the characteristics of line. It has no fixed length. Line has no fixed length. Means we can increase or decrease the length of line from the corners. Okay, is that clear? Line को हम increase or decrease कर सकते हैं. A line has no end points, no fixed length, no end points. Lines का कोई भी end point भी नहीं है और इसकी कोई fixed length भी नहीं होती है. Is that clear? Line, when the 2 points join together form a line. Okay. Line has no end points. It has no fixed length. And the symbol of line AB. So what is the symbol? We can write like that, AB. So this AB show that it is a line. Okay, AB is a line. So this symbol is show that it is a line. Okay. Now third one is the line segment. Line segment. Line segment. Segment means the small part of the line. Line segment means a particular small part, means the fixed part of the line, that is called the line segment. Suppose the line, okay, it is a line and the fixed length, fixed part of this line from this point to this point, it is the 2 centimeter. Suppose, okay, So this 2 centimeter part is called the line segment of this line. So it is, ये जो है एक छोटा सा part, that is called the line segment. So now the characteristics of the line segment. Line segment has the 2 end point. 2 end point where? One point is here, another one point is here. So line segment has 2 end point. It has the fixed length. Okay. Only 2 characteristics of the line segment. What is? First, it has the 2 end point. Line segment को कितने end point है? 2 end point है. One end point is here, another one point is here. इसको हम कोई भी लेटर से डिनोट कर दें, P and Q. Okay, that is the part of line. That is called the line segment. So what is the line segment? PQ is a line segment. Okay. So line segment, it has the 2 end point and fixed length. And the symbol of the line is this, PQ. Okay, it is a line segment. Next one, ray. Fourth is a ray. That is the last one. Ray, it is the symbol for ray. It means ray has a one end point. It has a no fixed length. 2 characteristics in the ray. First, it has one end point and no fixed length. And the symbol of ray, this arrow. It means this arrow is represent that it is a ray, and where is the one end point? One end point here in the ray, and from this arrow we can increase or decrease the length of ray. So that is the one end point in ray and no fixed length. Why no fixed length of the ray? Because of this arrow. यहाँ जो arrow है, इस arrow से इसको increase और decrease किया जा सकता है, इस corner से नहीं. Here is the fixed end point, but other side we can increase or decrease the arrow length of the arrow from this side. So it is called ray. Suppose the ray denote M, another one suppose O, R. So how to represent O, R and so this denote that O, R is a ray. Okay. Okay, so let's start the exercise 5.1. Before starting this exercise, there is given the get started. Get started also given on the page number 24. Get started. Some shapes are given there and we have to find out the number of sides. Already you are aware with the sides. In the 3rd class, you learn about that number of sides. Yes. How many sides in the triangle? 1, 2 and 3. How many sides are there in the triangle? 3 sides. How many sides are in the square? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means this side 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides in the square. Then pentagon. This is the shape for the pentagon. So how many sides in that? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many sides in that? 5 sides. So another 2 shapes also. Next, yes, it is a hexagon. How many sides are there in that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more is there. 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 sides are there in that shape. Okay. And last one is the circle. How many sides in the circle? No side. no side. Why no side? Because of its circumference, means it's a curved line. In the circle, it is the curved line. No side is there in the circle. Okay. Okay, so now look at the page number 125. Page number 125, exercise 5.1. Some shapes are given there. Exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1, question number A. What is the A number question? How many line segments can be formed by joining the following? Question number A, first one, 2 points. 2 points. How many line segments we can draw by using 2 points? 1 and 2, 2 points. How many line segments we can draw? Only 1 line segment. 1 line segment. Okay, we can draw by using 2 points. Second question, 3 points. 3 points. 1, 2 and 3. So how many line segments we can draw using by 3 points? 1, 2 and 3. So how many line segments we can draw? 3 line segments. 3 line segments. Okay. Third number question. There are given the 4 points. 4 points. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So how many line segments we can draw by using the 4 points? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many line segments are there? 6 line segments. 6 line segments. Okay. And the last question, question number 4. 5 points. 5 points. Okay, first we draw the 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after, one more line segment. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So how many line segments we can draw by using the 5 points? 10 line segments. 10 line segments. Okay. Now question number B. Question number B. In that question we have to find out the ray, point, line और line segment. यहाँ कुछ figures दिए हैं and we have find out the figures. First, what is this? This is a point. This is a point. Second, A, B and arrow. What is this? This is a ray. Why ray? Means one end point is here and another one side is the arrow. Means it has the one end point and no fixed length. Okay. Next, third one. What is this? This is a line segment. Line segment. And last one, A and what is this? This is a line. Line has a no fixed length. Okay, means दोनों एरो से हम उसको लेंथ को उसको बढ़ा भी सकते, कटा भी सकते. So that is a line. Now move on the question number C. Question number C. Okay. What we have to do in that question? Count and write the number of line segments. One shape is given there and we have to find the number of line segments. Okay. How many line segments in that figure? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many line segments are there? 4 line segments. And second one question. Yes, in that figure, how many lines? How many line in that? Look at the carefully. One line is AB, another one line is PQ, and that is a ray. That is not a line, that is a ray. One fixed end point here. Okay, so that is a ray. आपको ध्यान रखना है, that is a ray. Only 2 lines in that figure. How many lines? 2 lines. 2. Which lines? AB and PQ. Only 2 lines in that figure. Now third one. How many rays? Yes. How many rays? 1 O, A, O, B, O, C, O, D. So how many rays in that figure? 4 rays. Which 4 rays? OA, OB, OC, OD. There are 4 rays in that figure. Okay. So have you clear about all these topics? Points, lines, line segment and rays. Okay. So आप इस पूरे चैप्टर को, इस पूरी एक्सरसाइज को आप घर पे अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करिएगा. Okay. Thank you.